Model 2018 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue Limited Automatic Euro 6 Spares OR Repairs Body, Blue, Panel Van Mileage, 69,571 Engine, 1,996 cc 2.0 TDCI 170ps Transmission, Front-wheel drive automatic mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £18,950. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.